Manufacturing Week is over, but that doesn't mean we have to stop spreading the love and knowledge we have for our amazing industry to the younger generation. Listen closely to these 5 ways you can inspire youth, so you can begin to live like it's Manufacturing Day every day. Be a guest science teacher. The first way you can take full advantage of Manufacturing Week is by going to your local middle school and high school and teach an impromptu lesson from our industry and show all the awesome work you do. Build curiosity. What could you build to put on your company's front lawn that would get attention? Is it a sculpture? Maybe a found parts robot? It doesn't matter. Just make sure it's irresistible to anyone who passes by. Start a creators club. Have you ever heard of a makerspace? It's a location where people who tinker and create things as a hobby have access to tools, tech, and mentors. Just take that idea and make it to where one weekend a month, your staff leads a group of kids and parents through a group project that you can, quote, manufacture together. Have some Goldberg Fun. You know those machines that are made just to do stuff that doesn't really do anything? No? Well, watch this. Enough said. Finally, you can just simply put a sticker on your car. Have you ever seen people get paid to make their car a driving billboard? It's a new trend that you can leverage in a unique way for your business. Pay your employees, maybe $50 a year, to put a sticker on their rear window with a QR code. You could consider using the GetSeen.pro business card platform to host a video about your business and your people. For more interesting ways to inspire youth about manufacturing, and an in-depth history on the origins of Manufacturing Week, visit our blog at optimation.us. Read the entire blog on the subject today.